Hello, this is Jeremy from SpraySync, and today I'm going to do a demonstration of our multi-user sync capability. So what I have right now is I've got these 4 tablets all sitting here. They're all logged in as different users, but everybody is on the same job. So what I'm going to do is, these are all set around my hometown back in North Dakota, Mohall, North Dakota. So these are all driving around town. And while I realize we shouldn't be spraying for weeds in the middle of town, for demonstration purposes, that's kind of what I'm rolling with today. So I've got the bottom left hand one is sort of set up as a static view, just showing the town so that we can kind of see these things as everybody sprays. But the other ones are all driving around. They're not spraying anything yet. They're just driving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start spraying on several of them, and we're going to watch this view that is the different, and you should see them come in as they are spraying. So here I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up here, lock it in, and then I'm going to start spraying. So you should see, as we're going through, you'll see different little bluish green things pop up as I'm kind of toggling on and off spraying on the different tablets. We do have the feature on our tablets where you don't have to have the USB box plugged in and showing everything. You can just be set the swath that you have and then toggle it on and off manually. So as these are spraying, you can have as many people on a job as you want at any given time. So there's no restrictions there. There's no theoretical limit. And the job that you have, you can have. You don't have to have a job per week. You can just have a job for the whole year, which is kind of how we've seen people using it so far. Is you have a job per year, and you just have everybody track into that. It keeps it simple. Everybody knows. Like if you're a contract sprayer or something and you're spraying for a particular county, well, you'll just always use that job, use it for the whole year. So it may be a little tough to see, but you should be able to see some of those green things coming through. I started everything kind of at the south end of town and kind of driving up towards the north end, towards the school there, kind of in the middle, and then coming back through, kind of coming around. And what you would use something like this for is if you've got a team out there, this allows you to, if you have somebody break down in the middle of the day, let's say they're off, off in the middle, I don't know, a bunch of roads out in the middle of nowhere, gravel roads, whatever you're doing, and maybe they break down and they ran out of chemical, got to head home. You could easily find out where somebody left off by checking their spot on the map. And if you're able to line up where they stopped, then that reduces your errors on overspraying. You don't want to overspray, you don't want to underspray, right? So you kind of can have that be the feature there. And also, even thinking from a monitoring standpoint, almost like this view that I'm showing, that's the one tablet that's seeing everything. That's a lot of you can kind of see what's going on from a high level perspective on your team and what they're doing for the day. If I even zoom in a little bit here, you'll start to see it a little bit more. And there's about, because we are syncing live, this is going up to our web servers and stuff. There's a little bit of a delay, up to about a 10-second delay as of right now on seeing some of those things, and it will but it will show you all of that after you're done spraying, and after you've turned off your switches, it'll go and do that sync and see it up there. So. So one of the nice things too about this, as we're going through, I mean, remember the map here started with nothing on it, and now we're starting to see it fill in. But one of the nice things that you can do here is, so I'm going to move over to this other tablet here I've been having spray, and I can zoom out and I'm going to see all the same stuff. So all the tablets have been syncing together. So, I'm going to see all of the same things like I was seeing on the one tablet that we had just sitting there. So, and that's an important part of this design. So it's everybody can see everything that's going on that everybody else is doing during the day. So anybody can help anybody else, pick up where they left off. Yeah. So anyways, that's sort of our view of kind of this demonstration of our multi-user sync capability and being able to see who sprayed where. Thanks.